Welcome back to my channel. If you're a car enthusiast, get ready to feast your eyes on the 2026 Bugatti Chiron, a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Known for pushing the boundaries of luxury and performance, Bugatti has once again delivered a car that redefines expectations in the hypercar world. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Chiron is a perfect blend of aerodynamics and elegance. Its iconic horseshoe grille remains the centerpiece, flanked by sharp, aggressive LED headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. The carbon fiber bodywork is sculpted with precision, channeling airflow for maximum performance and stability. New color options and a selection of bespoke customization packages allow owners to truly make their Chiron one of a kind. The rear is equally striking, with a full-side LED light bar and an active spoiler that seamlessly integrates into the design when not deployed. Moving inside, the interior is a sanctuary of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Bugatti has spared no expense in crafting a cabin that combines functionality with opulence. Premium leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum are just a few of the materials used to create this exquisite environment. The center console features an updated touchscreen interface that controls everything from climate settings to the car's driving modes. Despite being a performance beast, the Chiron offers a surprisingly comfortable ride, with seats that are both supportive and customizable to the driver's preferences. Performance is where the 2026 Bugatti Chiron truly shines. Under the hood lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged 1,130/16 engine, delivering a staggering 1,600 horsepower. This powerhouse enables the Chiron to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.3 seconds and achieve a top speed of 261 mph, electronically limited for safety. The car's advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and updated braking technology ensure an unparalleled driving experience, whether you're on a winding mountain road or a high-speed track. All of this luxury and performance comes at a price. The base model starts at $3.9 million, but with additional customization options, that figure can quickly climb higher. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron is not just a car, it's a statement of engineering excellence and exclusivity. For those who demand nothing but the best, the Chiron is the ultimate expression of luxury and speed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time.